What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have HLBZ 4.76% down today. Look at my yesterday's prediction, guys. Fantastic today. Like, I mean, we have been open for like 6 minutes or so. Yeah, the market has been open for like 6 minutes, so there is not a lot of data on the chart. But my yesterday's prediction was that from here we're going to fall down. Beautiful, right? We delivered. Beautiful, fantastic moves. Now, for me, for this thing to actually continue to be bullish is to be bullish on this thing, for me at least, we will have to break above this high right here. These are highs around 109, 1010. You feel me? So I would love to see a full close on the 1 hour above those areas for me to consider any bullish moves. Otherwise, just continuations lower. So yeah, Helbiz is a pretty interesting thing. Now we can come back, and this is pretty crucial. So the higher time frames. Uh, if you don't know, like, if you're new on the channel, so basically, even if it comes right here, I'm going to be considering some outside moves to this area. Although it's at 66 cents, this is still a pretty bullish range. But until then, if we don't break above, for example, this line, bearish otherwise. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, and that's about it.